Welcome to the practice session of screen recording as a part of assignment of faculty development program organized by Ramanujan College Delhi. In this practice session of screen recording, I will try to explain the concepts of different types of norths. Here on this screen, I will type types of north. You will search for it. Go to the images. I will select this image. Here in this image we can see there are three types of north. One true north, second one is grid north, and third one is magnetic north. Now we will learn what is the difference between these different types of north. First I will explain what is true north. True north is also known as actual north. The true north is that type of north which has been determined by nature itself. That's why it is also known as actual north. The north which has been determined by the geography, which has been determined by the nature of the universe, is known as true north. Now we will see what is this grid north. In order to understand the concept of grid north, I will search here the world map with grid lines. This image pops up here. I will select this image out of it. Now he can here we can see it is a world map. The vertical lines we can see in this image. These are the vertical lines, and some horizontal lines are also there. These vertical and horizontal lines which divides the map into various squares. These lines are known as grid lines. So the north which has been indicated by these grid lines is known as grid north. For example, see here is India, and these are the grid lines which indicates the north of India. This is the grid north. For example, here is America, and these vertical lines indicates the north. This is grid north for America. Here we can see here is the north of America, here is the north of India, here is the north for Russia, here is the north for Australia. For each and every country, the north is different because the overall globe we have depicted here on the rectangular paper. On this rectangular paper, at this end, the north of America is there, and at this end, the north of Russia is there. For Asian continent, north is different. For American continent, north is different. For African continent, north is different. So, with the help of the grid lines, when we show the north, that north is known as grid north. That north is different from true north. We can understand this particular concept with the help of some other image. I will search here for the image of globe. Image of globe I will type over here and search for it. We will select this particular image. Here in this image we can see this is what the globe is. Here at the center point, the true north is there. Here at this particular point, the true north is there, which was determined by the nature itself. And when we put this particular map on a rectangular page, then what happens? The north of India is somewhere comes here, the north of Africa somewhere comes here, the north of America it will go somewhere here. So this is what the difference. True north is here itself, but the north of different countries or the north of different continents spread over the rectangular paper from left to right or from right to left. That is what the grid north. And now we will see